Hey everyone, have you ever opened an application or a software installation wizard on Windows 10 or Windows 11 only to find it looking tiny or too small to read? It's a common issue, especially on high-resolution displays, and it can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix to make those tiny installation wizards display correctly. Let's get started. So guys, today I'm installing software for my Canon printer, and check this out. When I run the setup application, the installation wizard looks really tiny. It's hard to see anything clearly, which makes it a pain to navigate through the setup. This can happen not only with setup wizards but even with apps that are already installed on your system, and it's pretty common to see this issue after a Windows update, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Luckily, there's a quick fix, so let's walk through it. So first we can start with changing High DPI settings. If you are having trouble with an application that you're still trying to install, go to the folder where the application is downloaded. Right-click on its setup.exe file, click on Show More Options. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Click Change High DPI Settings. Check Override High DPI Scaling Behavior and choose System Enhanced from the drop-down. If you want to change the settings for all users of this computer, then click here and do the settings. Click OK and then Apply. And if you're having this issue with an app that's already installed, you'll need to find its shortcut or executable file in its installation path. Right-click on the shortcut icon, then go to Properties. Selecting System Enhanced allows Windows to manage the scaling, which can solve most display issues in older or unresponsive apps. Now let's run the setup. You can see the problem is fixed. If Override High DPI scaling for the application didn't work for you, then can adjust the display scaling settings. This can help fix display issues by ensuring that Windows scales apps correctly based on your screen resolution. Go to Settings, System, Display. Find Scale and Layout and try changing the scale value. For instance, if it's set to 150%, try adjusting it to 125% or 175% and see what works best for you. Once you adjust the scaling, restart the application. Hopefully, this will resolve the issue. And that's it. This quick fix should help any tiny or blurry apps appear correctly on your screen after a Windows update. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.